In HealthWorks, it could one day be a source for replacement organs, a potentially safer alternative to embryonic stem cells. Fox's Carlos Amascua learns why some people have started banking amniotic fluid.
Look closely and maybe you can make out those two bean-shaped objects. They're tiny organs.
Those are kidneys. Those are two small fetal kidneys.
Dr. Roger DiFilippo is the researcher making all this happen in his lab at Children's Hospital, Los Angeles.
I'm very excited about it.
Those tiny kidneys, mouse kidneys, were created from stem cells harvested from this, amniotic fluid. It's the same kind of liquid that bathes a developing human fetus.
There's the nose and the mouth.
Fetal surgeon Dr. Raman Schmeidt is more familiar than most doctors with amniotic fluid. He routinely operates on patients still swimming in it.
A majority of it is comprised of fetal urine. So the baby basically urinates and then the baby swallows that urine. It's all sterile, it's all clean.
But
as the baby urinates, the baby's actually shedding cells. So the amniotic fluid is rich with cells, some of which are stem cells, and this is where the excitement is in regards to research.
The hope? Stem cells from amniotic fluid could be used to make custom therapies for patients who once produced these cells in the first place.
It'll be a perfect match every time.
Meaning if you receive an organ made from stem cells taken from amniotic fluid you once swam in,
You wouldn't need anti-rejection medicines. The tissue would be self, in other words.
a company called Biocell is already offering to freeze extra fluid taken during routine amniocentesis.
3, 2, 1. Here we go.
It costs almost $2,000 to get a baby sample ready for freezing, plus $120 a year to store it. But with amniotic fluid in the bank,
It's a way you can basically grow your own organs in the laboratory and use them for either organ replacement or tissue repair.
amniotic stem cell treatments have never been tested in humans, so Dr. Schmeidt is reluctant to recommend it just yet. But if an expectant mom has the cash and needs an amniocentesis anyway,
I can see in the not too distant future how these cells could potentially change the life of these unborn babies.
Carlos Amascua, Fox News.